Hi everybody, welcome to my empty house tour. So this is being recorded on the OSMO Pocket right now, by the way. So if this sounds a little weird, I have this external mic. So if it starts getting a little like ASMR-y sounding, it's because the OSMO Pocket sound is amazing. When you enter through the front, you have this gorgeous big living room. And what we loved about this is that the living room and the dining room is separate. We love to have people over and we have a lot of vegan view meetings, and our old place was just so small, it wasn't cutting it. And I love just like how bright it is in here. There's this big window over here that lets in a lot of light. So filming videos is so fun and so nice. And I get to see my neighbor's dog next door, which is key. And then we have these two tiny windows. We're probably gonna put our couch over here, have side tables, and then just these like banjo we can put there and like play and enjoy at night. And then this is where I'll put my beautiful credenza. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I have this lovely credenza. We'll have that and the TV and everything. So that is our living room. Now, if you wanna come here. So this is our dining room. I knew when we were moving, I really wanted a place with the dining room, especially that I work from home a lot nowadays. Used to not, so having all this space wasn't necessary, but now we've definitely outgrown the old place, and having a dining room to like entertain, have vegan view meetings, and shoot is gonna be so nice. And I just love the lighting in here. So we'll probably have our big dining table over here, and we can have snacks. Jesse and I can have our pasta nights. Very important, we love cooking, so having a dining room is gonna be really fun. And we have this beautiful window. And so that window actually points straight to here, which is where I'm going to be filming a lot of my YouTube videos. I'm gonna have a little desk, and so my sit and talks, my beauty product reviews, fashion hauls, and stuff like that will be more here. And then, where the magic will happen, we're gonna go to the kitchen. Oh, before we go to the kitchen, do you wanna see? I will have the hallway closet. Me and the brooms and stuff will be sharing this closet. And it's not gonna be all of my clothes, it's gonna be a lot of brooms, vacuums, whatever, but we don't have as much closet space as we like to have, especially to have filming equipment and my cameras, the lighting setup. It's hard to fit all that into an apartment, but this will be a good place for that, and my clothes. So if you guys want a closet tour, maybe I'll get rid of all my clothes. I have an embarrassing amount of clothes, so hopefully I'll be a minimalist one day and I can show it to you. So if you come through here, this is the kitchen. Now this is what sold us on this. Our kitchen right now is about this wide. So when Jesse and I cook together, we're always bumping into each other. Our current stove is sticking out from the wall because they like forgot to make enough room for the stove. So this is such an improvement, and I'm so excited. My backlit really badly. We turned around, still in the kitchen, and we have this really nice window, so if I want to do Instagram lives or tutorials like I used to, I can just stick my phone in the window and have that light coming out here, and you can see me cook and see me chop vegetables and saute things, and it's gonna be lit because of the window. That was a dad joke. Okay, let's go into the bathroom, guys. We have this bathroom. This is eons bigger than our bathroom is right now. So we have a nice double vanity. I love these mirrors. I wanna put my little crystals and Jesse's little crystals in here. They will look really cute. And we have a really nice shower. I'm so sick of cleaning a bathtub. I miss having just a shower and no bathtub. I was really excited to have a bathtub, but guys, some sage advice, it's not all that it's cracked up to be. All right, now let's go into the bedroom, which is probably the prettiest room in the house. Sorry, excuse me, sorry. So this is the bedroom. This will be the bedroom, and Jesse's closet is over here. There's a nice full-length mirror for him to get dressed and look cute in. And then over here, we will have Jesse's office stuff and desk and bookshelves and storage and all that stuff. And then the bed will go here. So yeah, this is actually really hilarious. We were touring and we saw this and we're like, oh great, well they have blinds. We don't have to go and buy a bunch of blinds already so people don't see us changing. And then we moved in and we saw, these are see-through. So I don't know why that was, I don't get it, but if you have a solution to this that doesn't involve lots of money, let me know. Because that's just sad. Everyone can see everything. All right, now we go into the most exciting room, and that is the laundry room. We haven't had laundry for a while, so it's going to be so nice to have our own washer dryer. A lot of zero waste stuff has to be washed in a washer dryer, and we were spending so much quarters and stuff to just wash like towels and all the reusable grocery bags. This is going to be so nice because we're gonna save so many quarters by using this. And then this just leads to our garage, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked our house tour video. I love to watch these, and I know you guys have been requesting that on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there and check me out on The Vegan View. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time in a new video and in a new apartment. How excited. Bye. Okay, done.